Once upon a time, there was a depressed fish with amnesia. His name was Gerald. Gerald the fish lived in a tank owned by a neglectful owner called Gladison. Gladison never cleaned his tank or replaced his 20-year-old water filter, which meant that surviving there was almost impossible. Gerald attempted to clean the tank himself, but would not do anything because he had nowhere to put the waste. Until it piled up all over his tank, which made cleaning it very unuseful. Sometimes when he was cleaning, he would forget what he was doing. He sometimes tried getting Gladyson's attention and get her to clean the tank, but she never budged. Him and his buddies tried surviving, but it never worked, so they were slowly dying. Don't be a Gladison, take care of your fish, and don't neglect their environment.